Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do this tutorial on the ASP Quick Dip powder, and as you can see I'm using a color South Beach, and the first thing that you do is you file your nails and then you prime them. And then I got ready to do my dip. They gave me that little tool, but I didn't really think it was useful. So at first I mix this together, and then you go in with step 2 and you just apply it on your nails like regular fingernail polish, and then you dip it in the powder, and you do about anywhere from 3 to 4 steps or 3 to 4 dips. And then you do also want to have a brush, like a little, you can use any kind of brush, as long as it is sort of thick, to brush off that excess powder, because it can get stuck in your brush and then your brush will get like hard and tacky, and it won't work right. And after the third dip, I went ahead and brushed off that excess powder, and I used the third step, which is the gel activator. It takes about a minute to dry, and after that you can go ahead and file your nails. And after I filed my nails and buffed them, I went ahead and applied the top coat. I applied 2 coats of the top coat just because I do like it to be really shiny. Alright guys, so that is all for this video. I really like this color and the product. I'm probably going to be using this for a while now, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you soon.